Hey folks, Cameron here with Shopify Mentor Hub. I've been working with a few clients recently, and not very many of them were aware about Shopify email. Now, Shopify email was built by Shopify. It is a separate add-on, free, that you can install. It does incur additional charges. However, it's a fantastic app if you're getting started with Shopify email marketing. Email marketing is a fantastic way to bring customers back to your site and uh, repurpose marketing to them constantly. Just kind of like what it says around sales, restocking of products, holidays, events, and so much more. Um, so the interesting thing of this is the additional charges may apply, right? So basically, for the first 10,000 emails each month, so 4 weeks, 10,000 emails, you incur $1 per thousand emails per month. So if you're sending out a weekly newsletter, maybe a weekly newsletter to 1,000 of your customers, like you're still not going to, it's going to be free. Like it's 10,000 emails is a ton of emails. Now, of course, no one likes spam in their emails and such like that, so I wouldn't recommend spamming your customers like every day with an email. But like a newsletter once a week or once a month, like that can be good and build that credibility, and keep bringing customers back to your site, especially around sales and events and all that. Um, yeah, so what I'll do is I'll install this on my test store, and let's just run through it real quick, and I'll show you how to go about sending. I'll show you how to go about sending a email. It's incredibly easy to go through. It comes up as an app, so as you saw just there, I'll just undo that. You can pin apps to the side here, so you can easily find them again. Otherwise, up the top here, you can just search email, and it will pop up at the top as well. But that's it. It's installed. It was simple as a few clicks. You can create templates from scratch. Settings here. This will pop up and show you everything, as far as like double opt-ins and stuff like that. So what that means is when someone signs up to your email list on your website, it will ask them to confirm their email before they're actually um, signed up to get email marketing from you. So that's where that double opt-in comes from. Optimize open tracking is recommended. Like this is just purely tracking of emails and open rates and stuff like that. We can go through all that. You can sort your branding template down the bottom there by choosing colors, logos and stuff. This is just like your blank slate that you'll start from. So I might just change that to red, for example. Background color, same kind of, a little bit darker red. And you can upload your logo there and stuff like that. So then it'll come up every single time you go to start an email. So let's just go ahead and create a campaign, which is creating an email. Sweet, we'll go next. So this here is all the templates that they have built in to the app. So you can do announcements, newsletters, a blank newsletter, COVID-19 update, which was quite popular previously, product highlights, restocking products, and promotions will be a big one. A sale announcement, say end of sale. Yeah, the list is kind of endless. Like special discounts, birthday presents for people. So let's just go sale announcement. And we'll go, so you just select this to start with. Now this is kind of like their Shopify's theme editor, where it's like all different sections, right? So you can choose, like this is a test store, so I don't have any subscribers, but you can go in and like segment out subscribers and stuff. And I'll do another video on customer segmentation. But you could just send an email to people that have purchased before. You could send an email to people that have spent over $20, for example, or you could send an email to someone that has spent no money with you. Like you can segment those out, like exactly what they've kind of said here. Abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days. You could just send emails to those folks. Like it's fantastic. Subject, you pop it in here. 30% off at test site 2, like the name of your site sort of thing. Preview text, so that would just be the preview of the email. And then you can kind of go down here and you can add products in. So you just click on the section, you can add a product. The hydrogen, and it'll come up with all the details there. It'll also add 2 other products in there for you. And then these links here, discover more. You can change these links to go to other places. Like so, this button link is what I'm clicking on at the moment. You could just have that to go to, say, the collections page, all collections, and that'll take them to all the collections, like rounded corners of the button right there, and then auto style narrow, so that'd be the narrow width of the button. What else? We can hit this little plus sign here in the middle, so you're kind of scrolling over the sections. You can hit the little plus sign, and you can go text, and you can just add in here, we are currently having a 30% off sale. Check out our products below and visit our site. And you can change all this font size, like super basic, super easy. Change the fonts. Yeah. You can add your store logo. I don't think there is a logo on the site. No, there isn't. Yeah, you can add your store logo. It'll automatically pull it from your site, or you can upload another one here. Like, it's a fantastic app to get started with email marketing. Like, it's nothing groundbreaking, super basic, super easy to go through. And then you can test your email. So what that'll do, just up in the top right-hand corner, you can click Send Test, and then that will test it to your email address. So, it won't send it automatically. Also up in the top right-hand corner here this is what it will look like on desktop. And then this is what it will look like on mobile. So you can kind of test both and see. Most emails are probably open these days with emails, so I'd recommend making sure this one is optimized. But yeah, they have tons of sections and stuff that you can go through. You can even add a gift card. You could add a divider if you want to divide sections of the newsletter. Yeah, it's very impressive, this app, and it's such a shame that not many people know about this email marketing app. Yeah, so I hope that helped a little bit. I'll make another video on customer segmentation and stuff like that. But if you have any questions about this or anything, this is a basic how-to guide on how you can set up an email campaign. Because then once you've finished making your email campaign, you just simply click review, and then it'll come up and hit send. And then, yeah, that's really it. If you got any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great day, and I'll talk to you all soon.